Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create smart WhenToMeet polls by BAITACH. First, you head to whentomeet.ca and then you will be welcomed with this beautifully designed user-friendly interface where you can either click here to create a poll or start the poll from here, and you can watch the demo by going through this button, or you can connect with us through these icons. And you can also switch to French language by toggling this to French, and you can toggling back to English. Okay, once you click on start the poll, you'll be welcomed to this page where you can start entering the poll information. You give it a title. This is mandatory, so let's say test poll, and then you have a description. It's optional, but it's completely up to you. So let's say this is just a test. Okay, and then you select all potential dates. You click on it, you select the dates, and then to close this interface, you either click away or hit that close button, and then you select the time zone. Let's say I will go with Halifax, and then you can go and select the theme, blue, purple. Now the selected date will appear below. Then for each date, you select times. You set the times. You can either select, let's say, mornings with this date, or afternoons, or evening. You can clear it all by clicking this button, or select individual times. Okay, then you go to the next. You also select a few times, and then you go with the third date, and then you hit that create poll and share. Now the poll has been successfully created, and this is where to vote. This, like, you can click on this copy link and share it with anyone to vote for this poll. And this is where the insight will appear after people will insert their preferred time. So let's say you insert your name here. I'll insert my name, Mohammed. And then I select all the times. You can, let's say I go with this, and again, see, like it defaults this to the default time that was selected. But you can always change it from here. Let's say my time zone is Toronto. So I'll select this, switch to Toronto, and I will see the times based on Toronto time. Okay, then this. I can even add a discussion. Let's say add like, hi, pleasure meeting you. See, it will post it and will save it. And now I hit submit availability. My availability have been submitted. See, the insight will give me the best time for now because it's only me, and these are the responses. And then once we hover over any time, it will show who's available and who's not. Now it's time to copy the link and share it with anyone, like through email, WhatsApp, any other communication. Let's say you're acting now on behalf of the person that just received and accessed the link. We go here, paste the link. Okay, now we see the availability. Now we insert the name. This is Jack. Jack lives in Regina. We will change their time to Regina. And then it will show Regina times. Select this here and here. And then Jack can see my comment as well. So he say, hi, Mohan, pleasure meeting you too. Okay, and pause the comment. And now Jack can submit their availability based on the selected time. Okay, let's say it was shared with another person as well. They go, they select their time, they live in Toronto. They will see, like, they will come, like, immediately will see the insight. It says, based on Toronto time, Friday, July 11 at 6:30, it's the best time to meet with 2 out of 2 available. Okay, here are the times available, and see, it will glow. The best times will glow. Okay, these are both the preferred time. See, it will show you like who's available and who's not. Both are available here. And then they will also see the discussion. Say, hi. Let's say this is Martin. But they have first to enter their name. So Martin entered their name and then posted their comment. And then they can select a few times. Let's say this time works for them as well. Like, again, this is Martin. Let's say Martin is living in Halifax because we did not change the time, right? So Martin here in Halifax selected 7:30. Okay, and then they will submit their availability. Again, a fourth person came in. Looking at the time will also show them that's Halifax time. Change it so the fourth person lives in Toronto or the same time zone. Switch it to Toronto. We'll show them like July 12 at 6:30 is the best time because 3 out of 3 are available. Okay, based on this time. And see, it's glowing as well here. At 6:30 on July 12, Saturday. See here on the right, it says available Mohammed Jack Martin and available 0. And if you go to the 6:30 on the 11th, it says Mohammed and Jack available, but Martin is not available. Scrolling down again, we'll show them the discussion. Again, they will see the Smart Insights. Everyone will see the Smart Insights. Let's give it a name of Peter. Okay, Peter is available on 14, let's say. We said Peter is in Toronto time zone. So Peter is selecting these dates and also submitting their vote. The fifth person coming in will also see this. See, now it's confidently giving them the time based on Halifax time, Regina, Toronto time, Saturday, July 12 at 6:30 is the best time because we have 4 available out of 4. And then we have alternative picks. Let's say these are the time that we have 2 available. We don't have 3 available. The closest number to the 12 is the 6:30 on the 11th and the 7 on the 14th. See, again, it's glowing, showing you this is the best time. See, and that's it, as easy as that. That's how you create smart polls with BAITACH. WhenToMeet. Again, you have like very beautiful interface, user-friendly. Once anyone go to the link, they will immediately see the smart insight instead of digging in deeper and seeing what times are available. And they will also see the best time in glowing here. They can always switch their time zone and see based on their time zone, and they can discuss things in here as well. So it's very user-friendly. And again, the tool is free, made by BAITACH. You can always connect with us, see our services here. You can go to our website, scroll through our website, see our services, and connect with us at any time for any IT support or tech need for your business, especially for nonprofits. We have special interest in nonprofit, and we offer a huge discount there. Thank you and have a great day.